Hello, what's up guys? In this video I'll show you how to control any sensitive content in Instagram. So open Instagram and you need to go to your profile by clicking on that your profile icon on the bottom right side. Click on your profile icon and here you can see three line on the top right side. Tap on that and go to settings, and here you can see account option. Go to account section. Now you need to go to sensitive content control. You can see, so you can allow sensitive content. You can just choose or adjust the settings according to your needs. Like you can set the settings the way you want, so in this way you can control any sensitive content in Instagram.